Battlefield 6 Open Beta Early Access starts today, August 7th. And for everyone else that doesn't have that, it will be this Saturday, August 9th. If you are interested in getting early access, I hear that you can go on Twitch and some streamers will have drops that can give you the early access if you're interested. But this video is primarily focused on getting the secure booting to work. So the other day I was trying to play Battlefield 2042 in kind of just like as a warm up to getting ready for the early access event today, and my game wouldn't even start up. I got this message. I messaged my friend that I was about to play with, and I was like, okay, yeah, I can't play right now because it says I have this error. Security violation. Secure boot is not enabled. Learn how to use secure boot at go.ea.com/secure boot. So yeah, for most of you, it'll be relatively easy. You just restart your computer, hold delete, and then go to BIOS, and then you'll see secure boot near the bottom. You can click that, and then it has the option secure boot enable. You click that and you click enable and you're done. But unfortunately for me, it was not that simple. I watched several YouTube videos and none of them were working for me. The secure boot option was not even showing up. So what I did is I went to ChatGPT, since I figured my situation was probably somewhat unique, and I put in, tell me how to enable secure boot on my PC. This is my motherboard and I'm using Windows 10. Also, when I go to the BIOS, I don't see the option where most sources say it should be. I think I need to go to legacy mode possibly. I also did this using deep research, so that it would give me a slightly more informed on what it told me. And then it asked for some more information. It says, are you currently booting in legacy BIOS mode or UEFI? I told it was UEFI. And then it says, is your Windows installation MBR or GPT? I said it was GPT. It tells you where to get that if you're not sure, if you want to look at the screen there. And then it says, do you want to keep your current version of Windows installed? And I said yes. I do not want to fucking reinstall Windows to play a game for one weekend. Then it said set your operating system type to UEFI. Mine was under other OS, and that's I think where the main problem came from. So I did that change and the secure boot option now showed up. This is what basically happened next. I said I got the secure boot option to show up, but when I try to enable it, it says secure boot can be enabled when system is in user mode. Repeat operation after enrolling platform key PK. Could you let me know exactly da da da? I didn't know any of that shit, so I just said I don't know, just wrote down the error message. I think it just had an option to enable or disable the secure boot setting. So the key management option was already visible for me, but if it isn't for you, you can do that. So this is under the, I think it was under the peripherals. And then I went to restore factory keys, enroll PK. Once I did this I think made it so that it was now in user mode. And then I was able to get it to work. And then I restarted my computer and everything worked totally fine. I guess in short, most of you, it'll probably work pretty easy. But if it doesn't, you can use ChatGPT, tell it your motherboard. If you're not sure how to get your motherboard, you can just go Control R and type in MSInfo32, and then you can look for your motherboard right here. So it says the motherboard manufacturer, and then it says the product information here. And also you can now see that my secure boot is on. The process worked, and I was able to get the game to start up. Hopefully that helps. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing. It did take me a while to figure this process out, so hopefully this was some time, since the YouTube videos out there didn't cover this situation that I was in. So I figured it would be nice for other people that were in my spot have a video to help them with it.
Looks like the wait's over.